Top national headlines. Kerala local polls jolt left, UDF surges, BJP creates history in Thiruvananthapuram Corporation. The Congress-led UDF scores a sweeping win across local bodies while the BJP-led NDA capturing Thiruvananthapuram Corporation for the first time is seen as a major setback for the ruling LDF. Government steps in after Indigo flight chaos, regulator told to probe cancellations and fix crew crunch. After hundreds of Indigo flights were cancelled and delayed in a single day, the centre asks aviation authorities to examine manpower planning, rostering and compensation norms for affected passengers. PM pays tribute on Parliament attack anniversary, security, anti-terror laws back in spotlight. On the 24th anniversary of the 2001 Parliament attack, homage in the new Parliament complex revives debate on terror alerts and tech-driven surveillance. States flag pollution health crisis, demand bigger health, infra packages from centre. Several northern states seek additional funds for air quality management, emergency care and rural health infrastructure as pollution-linked illnesses rise. Global highlights. Trump's war warning. US hints at possible land action in Venezuela over drug war and oil routes. Donald Trump keeps the option of further military steps in Venezuela open, branding the anti-cartel push as a war tied to global oil and sea routes. 20 Democratic states sue Trump over massive $100,000 H-1B visa fee. A coalition of 20 Democrat-led U.S. states files a lawsuit against the new $100,000 fee on fresh H-1B applications, calling it anti-business and beyond presidential authority. Belarus frees over 100 prisoners, including Nobel laureate, after sanctions ease. Belarus releases multiple opposition activists, including Nobel Peace Prize winner Ales Bialiatski, in a move linked to partial sanctions relief. Multiple flashpoints, missiles, drones and proxy wars keep Middle East, Europe and Africa on edge. Iran-backed groups fire long-range missiles towards Israel, Russia and Ukraine hit each other's grids, and conflicts in Sudan, Syria and Myanmar deepen humanitarian crisis. Trump signals strategic access talks with Russia, China and India amid shifting alliances. Hints of exploratory coordination with Moscow and Beijing alongside India stoke debate on how global blocs may realign. Economic headlines. India-Mexico trade talks heat up after 50% tariff shock on Indian goods. Mexico's steep new tariffs on a large basket of imports from India prompt urgent trade diplomacy as Delhi seeks relief and faster progress towards a broader pact. Tariff War 2.0, US and Mexico duties squeeze Asian exporters, including India. Analysts warn the combined tariff pressure could hit Indian textiles, auto components and engineering exports to North America. However, trade tensions cool slightly as US shows openness to tariff tweaks and mini-deals. Global data weak, investors bet rate hike era is over, but slowdown fears loom. Fresh inflation numbers and policy signals suggest an end to rapid rate hikes, but concerns about weak growth and investment persist. Canada bets big on green tech and trade infra to blunt tariff shock. New spending plans aim to strengthen cleantech capacity and ease bottlenecks at ports and corridors crucial for exports. India schemes boost cash flow, farmers, workers and seniors see fresh transfers in accounts. Direct payments into rural and low-income households are expected to support short-term consumption and small local businesses. Sports news. Messi GOAT India Tour. After chaotic Kolkata, questions grow over Messi to crowd control and fan safety. Anger over short game time and mismanagement in Kolkata fuels scrutiny of organizers before the remaining legs of the tour. In versus Prep, Indian batters grind through intense drills after top-order jitters. The team's focus is on technique and temperament as batters spend extended hours in the nets before the next clash. Arsenal's stoppage time twist keeps them clear at the top. A dramatic late winner helps Arsenal stretch their league lead while rivals struggle to keep pace. Si Woo Kim commits to Sony Open, cooling LIV Golf speculation. His decision to stick with a big PGA Tour event briefly calms rumors of another high-profile switch to LIV Golf. 49ers sweat over McCaffrey back issue ahead of key NFL stretch. The star running back's fitness becomes a major talking point as San Francisco approaches a decisive phase in its season. Bollywood and entertainment. Bollywood meets Barca, Mumbai braced for star-studded evening at CCI and Wankhede. SRK, Tendulkar and A-listers set to share Mumbai spotlight with Messi. The Mumbai leg of the tour doubles as a mega celebrity event, with film and cricket icons expected to join Messi on and off the field. Fans fume as Messi India tour feels more like celebrity show than real match. Disappointed ticket holders complain of limited game time and poor value, driving a wave of criticism online. WWE Nostalgia Night, John Cena's last ever match ends in emotional defeat. The emotional farewell sees Cena lose his final bout while other titles change hands in high-energy matches. Music labels push AI remixes and retro hits for 2026 short video boom. Companies bet on data-driven remixes of classic tracks to dominate reels, shorts and background scores in creator content.